Back to work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If my face looks swell, I just woke up. I literally just woke up and got myself ready. Mom and I are going on the road to get a few stuff, just like a quick errand run and stuff. So, and I bring you guys everywhere with me. So I'm carrying you guys. So we're going on the road right now and stuff. We want to get a few stuff, take care of a few business and thing. So let's go.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat.
Going like this.
So let's get the small one. Get two small one then. But then I have the regular. They have regular. They don't have the big one in the regular. They have look behind, So just canola and pure corn, and I'll just get the small one then. How much for the small one? Yeah, I get two of the small one. No, this one is pure vegetable. This one it has to be that one. This one. It was full to the top. Guys, mommy looking which one is full. Street festive here, so here so too. That's a festive. Good morning, guys. So I just got up and there's a snowstorm outside. There's a snowstorm, a whole snowstorm outside. So I just went down and saw it. I'm like, I need for sure. So I'm gonna go back downstairs and show you guys how it's looking. It's bad. It's very bad. Alright, guys, so now open the door. Look at that. It's heaping up on the door. And that's how outside is looking. And if you guys can still see it, that is still falling. But, some people walk through it, so that's why there's some footsteps through it. But yeah, people are trying. I'm gonna go through. Yeah. Get off. But mommy, she.
road. That's what people go China road. Like it going for road. China road.
Can't train a road. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how. For me, I go watching.
That's what's wrong with tomorrow.
Mommy, what? Mommy, I go. But guys, I'm gonna tell you how it look nasty. Look. So it started nasty already because it's melting. Because imagine when it heat up.
You can't exercise outside.
Yeah.
It get hard.
It's getting hard. I saw from powdery again. Mommy, I go. Acha. Take the gloves, mommy. Take the gloves for your hand. Here.
No, come put it.
Mommy. Take the gloves. Papa. Oh my gosh. Mommy. What is wrong with you? Let me do that part, Daddy. Let me do the brush. Oh. Huh? What? So, guys, I'm here living the life. I don't have to be doing nothing. I dropped my start. I'm gonna help out. But I might want me finish first because I only have one brush. As I told you guys, I'm fascinated by the snow. It's so nice. Can't make no snow angel. Should I make it this morning?
You don't know where to put it.
Well,
Store this. You know where to put it? Why narrow?
you see people in their choice. You can't. Catch me out here because it's cold because I guess because the snow was coming in 9 and it felt like 6 due to how cold it was so cold, guys. I hadn't have on the correct shoes too because I thought that shoes would have helped. It was like a rain shoes, but instead of it is warm. I thought that would have helped, but not gonna help nothing because by the time I reached home, or almost reached home, my foot started to cramp. So yeah, and then this is the one this one will be better. Don't have to have on right now and see me wet it up, but it's a way tomorrow and I go on the road, so yeah. here. Like, watch here. You know long we done? Because the car can't come out now. And mommy's still there, shovel. So the so there's something here come now, guys.
You push it back over here, so.
Yeah.
So they push back everything, yeah.
Time pass, they go push it back inside.
Jesus Christ. Guys, we're pushing back everything. It's all the hard work. God. Well, as we said, our mom is still there. I don't know. She's finding joy and fun in it. Yeah. Hi. Guys, I just get back inside, so I'm here with my niece on video call. Yeah, I'm here with her and stuff. We have play games early and thing. So I just come back inside and we're there chill. Alright guys, so I just got home not too long ago, and this is where I'm gonna end off today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Also follow me on Instagram at CrazeeTash. It's spelled the same way, CrazeeE Tash. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog. It wasn't much, but it was something, right? Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Remember, peace and love. Stay safe. Mwah.